Hi traders, good morning. Good morning, good afternoon everyone. I hope you you had a nice green day yesterday and ready for today. It's Thursday, 26th of March, and another crazy day coming as I see. If the sound is okay, please just let me know if I need to volume up or down. Then I'm just going to do it. Now let's see what the market is doing at the moment. I'm going to the pre-market. Hi, Nitsan. Thank you. I hope you are in safe. Okay. Oh, market is down again. Yeah, I've seen in the pre-market 650. Oof, that looks like as a possible breakdown. Look at this, 600. Maybe 649. Now let's see. So the SPY triple Q starting with a red in the red territory. Not like being in Spain, but still, yeah, I know, Nitsan. I know. I really hope it's going to be finished. Well, actually, as I see, you know what, Trump is really getting a bit angry that the Iranian does not like his points of the ceasefire and ending the war, and he told to Iran that better get serious soon before it's too late. So now he's threatening them to hurry up and say, take a bow, and just take a bow for the US. Well, so far it's not really working, and even three attack scenarios are here as US sends thousands more troops to the Middle East. So instead of seeing the end of this war, seems like it's not going to be that easy to see the end. Iran war is a catastrophe. G7 ministers warn, but there is little they can do to stop it. Yeah, that's for sure. That's for sure. So indeed, that's why we are down again, because like the Dow futures fell just 400 points and the oil is jumping again as Trump warns Iran negotiators to get serious as soon as possible. So, guys, situation doesn't look good. Volatility is here again, and the red market is back. So, this is what we need to deal with today. Hi, Mr. Brackage. Nice to see you. Could we get only turned on, please? Yeah, I'm just going to check it here. Because it's not just a second, of course. Okay, I just asked. Hopefully, it's going to be open, Mr. Brackett. So this early. And another one, someone asked me UGRO as well, UGRO. So I'm just going to ask this again. Hopefully, it's going to be a success. So traders, back to the market. Very red market we have today. Again, everything is down, including the chip stocks because of the Google news. I'm just going to talk about this as well. But let's just see the big indices first. Triple Q is down 1%, down this 580 area. As you can see, for days, the market is just consolidating here around the 200 EMA. But with this 580 and especially this 578.50 break, it's going to be a new low, at least in the recent days and weeks. Last time when the market was so low, it was last year in August, by the way, like August and September. And this is so far we are going towards to the yearly low with the triple Q and the SPY as well. So I'm going to watch definitely this 579 level. First of all, the pre-market close and the 580, but after that the 579. If it's going to fail, then we are going to see more to the downside. Yes, Nitsan, WVE, I don't think so. We can trade it. All right, this is a quite of a big drop. Actually, this is a 55% drop. I don't know, this $5 level is always very delicate for the stocks. So I'm going to be careful with this level first of all, but we can watch it on the secondary list. Hi Tara, good afternoon to you. Nice to see you. Hope you had a nice green day at the end yesterday and ready for another crazy volatile day today. I'm just starting my watch list not to forget your great course here, ORLY. I'm just asking the um, risk management team to open it. WVE, I'm just going to call it to the secondary list, Nitsan, because again, this $5 area, I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. So traders, again, why the market is down a lot because of the Iranian situation. Again, Trump just told to the Iranian negotiators, better get serious soon before it's too late. He is just referring to his document for the ceasefire, which doesn't seem like that Iran likes any point of it. So that's why they denied it so far. Gulf states say they are ready for self-defense as tense shifts on Iran war. So this is still just showing that the tension is rising and not calming down. Oil market is in backwardation. Here is what that means for the energy prices. Well, if you just check the US, so here is definitely pushing again, or the US oil, which is definitely the oil. You can see that this is just bouncing. It was down to this 85, $90 level. Now it's back to 94 indeed. This is the US oil. If I'm just checking um, the brand, it is just higher even. This is ugly actually. So again, everything is up on the oil and energy prices, but the rest is down, like even including silver, gold, and all of the futures, including Nasdaq, which hit the most in the pre-market, and the Nasdaq is down more than 1% at the moment. Triple Q is down more than 1%. SPY is down only 0.80%. Yes, MU gave up, Nitsan, and the reason for that, it's a Google. A Google AI breakthrough is pressuring memory chip stocks from Samsung to Micron, including SNDK, by the way, including SNDK. And the reason for that, that Google's latest research, which claims to make AI models more efficient, is putting pressure on memory stocks with investors concerned. The breakthrough could see a slowdown in chip demand. Some of the analysts say that it's not going to happen, but still has a quite of a serious impact on SNDK and MU. I'm going to watch them to the short side today. I'm just going to call them now indeed. So SNDK and MU are down because of that. WDC as well. Let me just check WDC. How does it look like in the pre-market? Is down 287. Inside day. Actually, I think I do prefer SNDK here. Indeed, this is an inside day as well, but looks like as a great continuation. And don't forget MU, as you just mentioned, it gave up the 50 EMA. It's down to this 370 level, which is under yesterday's low, and there is a chance that it's going to pull back to this 360 easily. I love MU the best. I just definitely prioritize MU over SNDK because of many reasons. For example, the price, the spread, and the rest. Okay, let's see Tesla, Nitsan, how Tesla is behaving today. Tesla at the moment, it's just got a rejection on the 200 EMA yesterday, as you can see, near to this $400 level and down to this 380 level, which looks like as a fantastic continuation, Nitsan, to tell the truth, to the short side. So I'm going to call Tesla to the short side. But with Tesla, we should be careful because you know exactly Tesla is always doing what it wants. If it wants to go higher, anyway, it's going to go higher. Does not care about the market. Yes, one more from your side, which is AXT and I, AXTY, AXTI and C, which is down, I guess, a lot, 63. All right, not bad, 3.86% and 227, and the very extended. Oh, I love this, Nitsan. This is a Yogi stock. Yogi likes this stock, you know. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Thank you. I'm just going to call it to the short side. Looks like it's a great profit-taking stock, by the way. Crazy like Elon. Yeah, yeah. I know, I know. Yes. Let's call it not crazy, but passionate. Okay, passionate. Like Elon. I mean the Tesla, of course. Mm. Yes, like they say that your dog, it's like it's always has the character of the owner, and maybe it is with the stock and Elon. Okay, guys, now let's see Tesla as well, whether it's going to be continued lower. By the way, Bitcoin is giving up the 70K again. So Bitcoin is weak today as well, 2.60 down, 2.60%. If I'm just checking Bitcoin, you can see that this got a rejection as well on this 50 EMA on the daily. And now, actually, it seems like to me as a small height of head and shoulders. I don't know. Of course, for that, we need to break this 67K and might if we break this 67K, because so far, if you check it, we have a tiny, tiny higher low, higher high situation here. If I just do this, you see? I think you can see on the chart. So if you just check it, this is like higher high, higher low. But now it got rejected on the 50 EMA and the 72K level, back under 70K. But now, as I've told you, if it's breaking 60, 68, 67 especially, then this is going to point more to the downwards movement on the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is weak today as well. Hi, Sharko. Nice to see you. Kodiak Sciences shares. Okay. KOD, not KODK. No, I can't read it. It's too small. But I remember on that stock, this can be a really huge mover on news. So I'm just going to call it to the secondary list, okay? KOD or KODK, Nitsan? Because as far as I remember, it was KODK. You know what? I'm just checking on the other one. KOD. Kodiak, yes, Kodiak Sciences is KOD, sorry, it's my bad. All right, I'm going to put it to the secondary list. Thank you for this candidate as well. And let's see what else we have here on the news side, first of all, before we just start or continue with the big movers. Today, traders, it's Thursday. Thursday, it's unemployment claims. So I'm just checking unemployment claims, which was higher than the previous data, unfortunately, but still slightly lower than the expectations. So 205K was the previous data, 211K was the expectation, and it just turned out 210K, which is slightly lower than the expectation. So I would say not a huge change, but it's higher, unfortunately. Today, no more big news, only natural gas storage 10:30 and some FOMC member speakers after the market close. And actually, even Trump is going to speak, but just at the time of the closing bell, 4 p.m. market time, he's going to speak. So it's not going to have an impact on the whole market, because it's just going to close at this time when he's opening his mouth and speaking, I guess, about the Iranian situation, about the economy, about the gasoline prices and everything. So just the usual. Thank you, Nitsan. Yes, I just checked it. Thanks a lot. I just put it on the secondary list. Now let's see, guys, how the rest of the stock exchanges of the world just navigated this day out. Of course, red because of this news again. Asia red, Europe red, DXY back close to this 100 area. US 10 years are pushing higher again. Futures down, gold down, silver down, crypto down. Only the oil is pushing up like crazy again. And for the ones who just joined, welcome traders. And unfortunately, market is down again because the Iranian negotiators are still on, but unfortunately there is still no decision about the ceasefire, and Trump started to threaten the Iranian negotiators that better to get serious soon before it's too late. And even they just sent thousands more troops to the Middle East, I mean the US, and 3 attack scenarios they have as well. So quite of not a nice outlook on the war side, unfortunately. Nitsan, yes, ARM got a news yesterday. I think it's still in this vibe. Indeed, if we are just talking about ARM, I'm going to look at for the long side actually, especially because of it's ignoring the weakness of the market, but we should be careful. Hi Zuki, Mara checking. Mara got some news yesterday and today as well, I remember, and this this is just does not care about the market. Oh, I like it. Actually, on the daily, I like it as well because if it's breaking this 920 level again, that can be a quite of an interesting long, in my opinion, Zuki. I like this Mara. I'm just going to put it to the long side. But again, until the market is under such a big pressure, traders, I'm going to be careful with the longs. Chewy as well. Oh, Chewy was such a beautiful trade yesterday from Zuki. I remember on that, but unfortunately I missed it. So Chewy at the moment, this is just moving higher. Nice. Okay. I mean, from the lows. Rather strong, you think? Yeah, we can watch it on the secondary list, I think, Nitsan, maybe for a second day, especially, you know what, if the market finds some support there and it's able to make a reversal, and might Chewy still can be interesting to the upside. I completely agree with you. Okay, traders, I'm just checking the market watch here. US stocks look for a sharp retreat at opening bell as oil rises on the days 26th of the Mideast war, 26th of March, and the 26th day of the Mideast war, unfortunately. And as I've told you, everything is going down indeed. However, by the TEFS, we have a nice surprise for you, and this is the Easter sale. So Easter sale is up from today, guys. Please hurry up because it's going to be just some days. And if you are interested, then just go to the TEFS.com and you can see the fantastic discounts both on the funded accounts and the TEFS challenges as well, which are the one-step challenges. So if you are just thinking on trading, or you just want another upgrade, because of course we have discounts on upgrades, or another account, then please just check out on the website. I just pinned the message and you can see it up on the top of the chat. It should be okay. All right, traders, now let's see what else in here. Well, actually, this is what it's overshadowing the market again. Let's see how it's going to be continued. Trump gets the blame as investors snub iron pose, even through social media posts may not save the stocks. Ouch, that's definitely not a good news for the US stocks. So far, really, really, really weak, the outlook for today. But again, anything can happen on this very much news driven market. Okay, so let's just watch the news. This is what we need to do for today as well. Okay, again, economic front, just unemployment claims, nothing else. On the international news, I'm just still checking quickly. Apple expands American manufacturing program with 4 new partners. That's an interesting news for Apple. Let's see how does it look like. Hi Omid, nice to see you. Good morning, good morning. If you have any great candidates, traders, please just let me know. Apple is not moving too much for this news actually, but not even that weak as the triple Q. Might I'm going to watch Apple here because it still looks like it wants to make this reversal from the 200 EMA. Let's see, I'm not sure though. Oil makers, yes, I know that. We just yeah, European market slide. We have seen that. Google News just pressuring the chip stocks for sure. Okay, and that's it. Actually, that's it. No more big news, but this is actually enough to move the market. DXYZ, just checking. DXYZ. DXYZ, okay. You want to get for a long. Interesting. Actually, very strong today. I like it to the long side, Nitsan. Thank you for that. It was not on my list, but now I'm definitely going to put it on the list. DXYZ had a news yesterday, but as you know, sometimes these news-driven stocks can have like a second day, sorry, a second day or third day move even. So yeah, definitely these news driven stocks, it worth to watch through several days, not just on the day of the move. So DXYZ, it's one of like that. Definitely. All right, we still have big movers. Actually, I'm just starting with my watch list. SMCI, as this is pressured as well. you know, by the Google News, SMCI, MU, WDC, and SNDK can be on our shortlist. I'm just going to get SNDK, MU, and SMCI maybe. Let's see. Okay, just going to put it there. Meta checking. Meta. It's currently in the buy. AVGO. Okay, AVGO first, Tommy. AVGO, it's on the 200 EMA as well. And yes, you are right. But you know what I'm afraid of? If the market is going to break this consolidation under the 200 EMA, because now both the SPY and the Triple Q are under the 200 EMA, a lot of big stocks are in the same zone. Like look at AVGO as well. Or so AVGO now it's on the 200 EMA. It's 50-50, I would say, but if the market is breaking lower, I would say my AVGO is going to give up as well. So yeah, I agree that most of the times this 200 EMA would mean like a reversal opportunity, but if the market is under such a big pressure, might it's not going to hold and not going to work. So that's why be careful with AVGO on that level. Tara, Meta, checking Meta. Hi, Jeremy, nice to see you. Meta. Meta very weak. Looks like it's going to continue lower 580. Oof. Yeah, I love Meta to the short side. Actually, I'm going to change it to SMCI with SMCI. Hi, Jeremy. The pullback on UGRO, I just asked the risk management team to open it, by the way. Watching app. And small caps, ANA and PGE. And thank you. Eplawin is not on my list. Let me just check it. Not Amat. Amat is not bad either. But Eplawin, this is a big mover. I love it to the short side. You are right. It's 200K. A little bit spready though, but looks like it's a great continuation. Okay, traders, I'm just quickly going to the big movers. We were talking about the Google News pressured stocks. I mean, chip stocks. All right. Actually, again, for the ones who have not heard that yet, there's news that shares of memory stocks tumbled following the unveiling of Google's new AI model, which the company said could reduce the amount of memory required to run large language models. So that's why everything is just going down. SPY double bottom, the 650. Yes, 650 is going to be a strong one. That's for sure. Maybe a little bounce, but after that, we don't know what's coming next. QCOM is weak today as well. Traders on a Bernstein downgrade. QCOM, I'm just checking in the pre-market. How does it look like? It's anyway a very weak stock and seems like it's still going to push lower. Now it's on the 128 area. The low of the year, it's 127. I don't know. QCOM, maybe I'm just going to put it to the secondary list because we have so many short candidates already indeed. But here are coming more. For example, Adobe. Adobe is down again on a downgrade. ADBE is down at the moment like 1.53%, and this is very extended as well. Crazy. When it was last time on these levels? I have to go back in the history. 200? Not that long time ago. 2018. 2018, guys. Okay, so that's quite of a weak one. I'm going to call it to the short side, but we have so many to the short side actually, which is not a surprise because everything is very, very weak. Hi, Buzak. Nice to see you. Good evening. Good morning, Humble Ninja. Oracle as well, Mr. Brakic, checking. So many candidates we have today, guys. I don't know how I'm going to prioritize. It's the same, very weak. Yeah, actually, I could put all of the big stocks to the short side, but I'm trying to stay with the new stocks. Like, for example, Worthington Steel is down 17%. WS processing company plunged 13% after posting the earnings, by the way, WS, but the volume it's a little bit low, so let's just leave it. MLKN, it's a huge drop as well. Miller Knoll is down as well on the earnings. Quite ugly, but again, volume is not my favorite. And what else? Oh yes, mining stocks, silver, First Majestic Silver, Hecla Mining, everything is pushing down because of silver, and gold are just going down like crazy. So if I'm just checking HL, looks like as a continuation, we can watch these as well. I'm just going to call it to the secondary list at the moment because anyway we have a lot. Okay, yes, UGRO, I'm going to check it whether our risk management team can open it. AMD looks like as a minus 2%. This is maybe pressured by the Google News as well, by the way, Humble Ninja. But this is an inside A, I think. It's done. Yeah, this is an inside A. I do prefer rather MU. Actually, if you're just checking the MU, it still looks like as a great continuation, and maybe SMCI, because actually on my watch list, SMCI is really, really weak. It's just making a reversal, but this is an inside A too. So MU, I'm staying by MU. Baba is weak as well, guys. Applied materials, coin, of course, as the Bitcoin is very weak. Look at the coin. Coin looks fantastic for continuation. Oh my God, I love coin for continuation. But I'm just finishing the watch list because it's too much, too much. The only green stocks, of course, oil. So I'm going to watch oil to the long side, and not even mentioning J&J because this is, as you know, it's quite of a resilient stock indeed. J&J is starting into the green again. But here is my list: long, short, and secondary list. Indeed, we have too many candidates. I'm going to try to prioritize here. It's not going to be easy because we have too many good ones. Because why we should prioritize? Because to find the A plus setups, for that we need. Oh, Zuki, you just called even VG, right? Checking VG as well. Hmm, looks interesting and strong. You are right. Yeah, I'm going to watch it here as well. VG. All right, traders. So from my list to the long side, I like this VG. We can put it to the long side. And you have the news regarding Marsa. No, MU has the news regarding the Google AI, something that is just going to reduce actually the required memory to run large language models, and this is a new AI model of the Google, and this is just frightening the chip stocks like SanDisk, Micron, Western Digital, and Seagate Technology are falling. So no, not on the Mara. Not on the Mara. PGEN 26. Yes, Nitsan. Actually, PGEN, I cannot trade it, but it was called by Jeremy. It can be on the secondary list indeed. So traders, let's see what we have for today. I'm definitely watching MU, Meta, Applovin, looking really good to the short side. Applovin, DXYZ to the long side, US, so MU is here too. What else? Maybe coin here, definitely, which I would like to check. NVDA, Tesla for sure on my list. We just started the trading already, traders. Good luck. But again, be careful. That's going to be a big one again. I mean, a really crazy market as always. I like ARM as well. US, so definitely. Mara, I'm going to check it too. Okay. Now let's see. So SPY triple Q, gap down 650, 580. These are the levels on the SPY and the triple Q to watch. Let's see whether there will be any bounce at all. I'm not sure though. Apple is moving already down. TQQQ down 43. Wow. Tesla 382. NVDA down as well. SNDK on the 650 area. ARM strong. ARM is really, really strong. The XYZ we are watching to the long side. Maybe I'm going to watch Circle here too. It was quite of a big mover. Now it's going down as I see. Coin. Ooh, span 75 already. US, so big jump, of course. DXYZ looks very strong, traders. Uplovin very weak. Okay, VG is still strong. Reddit, 5% down on the Reddit, guys. That's crazy. Reddit is just tumbling. Yeah, Mara, I'm watching and very strong at the moment, Luis. Like it was just an open range break as I see. So keep an eye on it. Reddit. Unity 3.50% lower. MU. Now let's see MU and SMCI. Meta. PGN, good luck with that. I still cannot trade it. It's a nice to see you. Good morning. Baba 2.03% down. NVDA. NVDA is trying to make a bottom. Oh, CRM and JNJ are in the long side traders. I'm just telling you. Apple in USO. SPY triple Q are consolidating a little bit here, but not a huge move. NVDA. Yeah, market is fighting here on the lows. 651 coming on the SPY. 681 on the triple Q. Checking quickly the gainers and losers list as well. American, very weak. Pony AI as well. Big drop because of the earnings. UGRO still cannot trade it, unfortunately. Applovin looks interesting for continuation. RC80, big drop. AOI, big drop. US so sneaking higher now. 24.95. Okay, good luck with that. Market bear flagging. Mara bull flag, ARM bull flag. DXYZ is holding. US so breaking 117. SLV doesn't look strong either, but I cannot see anything yet which I would say that, yeah, this is the one which I want to trade. I'm just checking the really weak stocks as well. PLTR, it's quite weak, 3% lower. Whew, PLTR, ugly. Applied Materials, Amat. Rigetti, 3.63% lower. We have so many. COHR. Okay. Lunar is down too. Ooh, DXYZ. So spready. Yes, Tara, PITR is just in a free fall. MU, though, it's pulling back. SNDK as well. It's interesting. I'm going to keep an eye on Mara for a long, maybe. Tesla for a short. I like Tesla for a continuation, lower traders, and I'm going to take it under 381. Tesla under 381. Lower share size, please, because it's very early trade on the Tesla. Here we go with the Tesla stop loss over the high, so really just a fun share size here. 380.80 I took it. Mara, yes, Mara looks very good, Zuki. VG as well. I agree. Jeremy, VG does not care about the market. Market is still bull flagging or a bear flagging. Tesla is in for me. Watching SNDK MU for a possible reversal. Applovin Meta looks very weak too. Come on, come on, come on. Here we have $1 on the Tesla. 382, 383. Let's see whether we can break this 380. Yes, I'm ready to take a $2 for a partial, 75%. Market hesitating on the lows a little bit. So I'm ready to take a partial on the Tesla traders. It is just for a scalp. It's a very early trade. SPY triple Q has not decided yet. However, I think I'm going to get a small TQQQ as well under 42.85. If we break down 42.85 with the TQQQ, like 42.84 is going to be my entry on the TQQQ. SNDK looks very good as well. I've seen it. If we break down, just in that case, Plovin looks great too. NVDA on the lows. Mara, nice call, Zuki. Wow, beautiful on Mara. Well done. And here comes even ARM. I don't like this comeback on the Tesla. Actually, TQQQ not in yet. Just back to the entry on the Tesla. Meta looks like as a continuation. How about Microsoft? MSFT. Ah, Microsoft is coming back. Amazon. Amazon a bear flag. Google. SPY triple Q still just glued to the VWAP, nothing else. Apple Meta looking weak as well. Meta 570. Wow. It's on a new yearly low on the Meta, I think. Yeah. New yearly low on the Meta and it's breaking down. That's crazy. I like the SNDK call. I did not take Meta though. It was too late. But maybe I'm not going to hold this Tesla here, traders. I'm not sure it's going to go lower. A little bit more patient, but that's it. I'm going to join you under 649 on the SNDK, Jeremy. 649 for me, under 649 on the SNDK, but only with a small share size. You know, traders, this is a quite of a crazy stock. Like 648.80 is going to be my entry on the SNDK. Under 649, so 648 and 80, but just with a small share size. I'm not in. I'm in. And thinking on this Tesla, if it goes over the VWAP, I'm going to close it with a small loss. Okay, beautiful. Come on, SNDK. So SNDK is in. Market is breaking. TQQQ is in. Ooh, three trades, guys. So on the SNDK 645 is my first partial. TQQQ, I want to go for 20 cents, so around 42, 60, 62. And unfortunately, I don't like this Tesla. I think I'm just going to close it in a small loss. I just do not like it anymore. Still held by the VWAP, but not my ultimate favorite, to tell the truth. Just too hesitant here. Okay, come on, SNDK. Oh, don't do that again. It was very close to my partialing point, but it's just jumped. It's a very specific, crazy move here, unfortunately. Market is trying to stop here. AVGO. Okay. Still leaving the market to play this out here. SNDK as well, and Tesla the last chance here on this 381. We got rejection now on the VWAP, which is good. It needs to make the reversal here and the market needs to help, but I don't know. All right, traders, finally, SNDK, I'm just taking my first partial. Is going to be 70% of my share size, 642. I took my first partial on the SNDK. Tesla is back to the green, but unfortunately TQQQ is not. And market is trying to reverse. It's no good. No good. MU was nice too, by the way. Okay, Tesla. Tesla is back to the entry. It really needs to make this VWAP reversal here. If it's going to fail, I need to get out. Oh, SNDK, beautiful, guys. SNDK, let's wait if it can break the 640. SPY, triple Q still hesitating a lot, unfortunately. And no, Tesla, I don't like it anymore. Tesla, it just doesn't want to go down. No good. And the SPY triple Q is pushing higher too. Applovin, beautiful. SPY back to the highs. Tesla $1 loss. It's okay, just half hour. But SNDK is still going nicely. TQQQ is going to be out, I think, if it's breaking the run number like 40, 43, 10, 20. But the SPY is starting to be stronger. SNDK still looks nice. On the SNDK, I'm not going to do anything else. Just put my stop loss to the entry. Tesla was not the best position management, actually. Oh, no. Come on, market. And no more news either. And we have more green stocks, guys. Nike, CRM, AFRM, XOM, all of them are in green. PepsiCo, Microsoft. So if we are making a reversal, then I think it's going to be a nice move upside. ANNA, I can't trade it, I think. No. AFRM. Coin is moving higher. Yeah, everything's showing some reversal. So let's see this 20 level on the TQQQ. ARM. DXYZ checking. I just put it down because it was a crazy move. But not maybe it's still a little bit crazy. Abu 43.20, I'm out on the TQQQ over 43.20. SPY unfortunately broke the highs, so highly likely the triple Q will as well. Did you? PGN. Okay, just a second, traders. All right. And the USO is going down, of course. PGN, good luck with that. Cannot trade this. All right, traders, seems like, oh, AFRM just gave up. That's not good. AFRM just gave up. I'm still holding SNDK, but over 650 is going to be out, and unfortunately the TQQQ is going higher too. I need to call it as a loser. That's not good. I was not expecting this market to push back so much on this bad news. It's unbelievable. Look at the triple Q. And I'm red because of the TQQQ. Because Tesla was not a huge or a loser, but unfortunately the TQQQ it's not good. Okay, let's see. Bitcoin pushing back. There are some news again. Crazy. The Iran war is sparing no major economy, but one looks to be harder hit than others. No news. Yeah, Nitsan, I cannot trade it unfortunately there. Okay, Meta is still very weak, by the way. Am you making a reversal? Actually, I think I'm going to add to SNDK under the lows, traders. I'm going to add to SNDK under the lows. Lulu, Mr. Brackett. Lulu. Let's see, Lululemon. Oh, that's strong. Volume so-so, bit spready. But yeah, maybe we can watch it maybe instead of applying because it's not really moving too much. So traders, market just changed the direction at least so far. Unfortunately, the TQQQ got a loser and Tesla too. Only the SNDK, which is still good. And I'm adding to SNDK under 640. I'm just going to add here. Okay. Tesla's 380. Yeah, now if the market continues, maybe 380, 384.20 for me, Buzak. But yes, it looks like that the market is now it's going to start to build a bull flag. The USO is building a bear flag, by the way. And more green stocks are here. CRM, AFRM, Nike are the strongest. I'm just telling you. AFRM, Nike, PepsiCo is strong too. Microsoft is still going higher. Microsoft got a huge move to the downside in the recent days. I'm going to watch Microsoft as well. MSFT, maybe Meta. So if everything is changing, all the scenario is changing, that maybe we will see this Microsoft to bounce today. FIG, it's not on my list, unfortunately. Figma. This was a very extended stock. Oh, I like it. Maybe it's going to get us something interesting. Guys, I'm going to buy Microsoft over the highs. 373 on the Microsoft MSFT. Let's see. Maybe it's just going to be a scalp. I don't know, but looks really good. And the market is bull flagging. Market is bull flagging big time. NVIDIA is not doing too much though. Look at NVIDIA. It's just quite muted. I still like my ending point on the, what is it called? The SNDK, by the way. This can be a really big winner if I'm adding. ARM, yeah, I'm watching ARM. I don't know. I feel like a bit muted there on the stock, but I'm watching it. Circle is pushing higher. How about CRWV? I'm in SNDK adding under the 640. I want to see a 637 for the first partial. Let's see. SPY triple Q still consolidating here. Now SNDK, don't do the reversal now, please. Coin quite strong as well. Nice pullback. But Google, not too much. Netflix, 0.50%. Triple Q still looks like as a consolidation on the 583. MU coming to the lows. I don't like though this SNDK here. Okay, SNDK coming back. That's good. Actually, even MU looks very good for a continuation, traders. I'm just a bit afraid that the market moved higher, but MU, it's looking like a great continuation under this 365 level. I don't know. FIG is very strong. You are right. Humble Ninja, look at that. It's almost breaking this 20 to 20, and there is still a lot of space to go. Traders, here comes on the ending point, the SNDK. It's very spready. That's why we are taking always very low share sizes, actually. Nice, Jeremy. Well done. Tesla still looks good. If this continues, it it can be a good one, I think. Here comes the Microsoft as well. Market is still bull flagging at the moment. Disney is up. Disney is up as well. I don't like this SNDK. It's thinking too much here. Market is very strong, surprisingly strong. On the Microsoft, I want to see $1 for a partial, like near to $1. TQQQ breaking, market breaking. Tesla not yet, Buzak. That's quite interesting though. WMT in green, PepsiCo in green. Go, 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 Microsoft, please. And SNDK, you still need to go lower. Just checking quickly the gainers and losers list. UNFI very strong today. EXYZ. Here is FIG as well. BBY very strong. Oh, come on, Microsoft, really? BBY is just a clear green move. BRZE stronger today as well. ARM is in. Good luck with that, ARM. Traders, I don't like this rejection on the Microsoft. If it cannot do it, I'm going to get out on zero. I do not want to get another unnecessary loser. It started very nicely with this breakout, but now it's stopped. That's not good. And now it's just making a doji, which is definitely not my favorite breakout formation at the moment, or continuation. That's not what I want to see from a breakout, actually. Let's see. SNDK still looks good. Overall market is still looking like stronger, but could not make the breakout over. So that's why I'm just thinking to halve my position on the Microsoft soon. And then let's see whether it can go higher. My entry was 373.09. Nice, Nitsan. The KOD. Well done. No, market is still trying. I'm just giving a little bit more time for this Microsoft. Unfortunately, SNDK is not going lower, still in green because we had a partial already. ARM, yes, ARM is in Zuki. Jeremy called it already, but I don't know. I just did not like this too much. Guys, I'm just closing half of my position on the Microsoft soon because it's not making this healthy move. Market, though, it's still moving. So you know what? Let's just leave it. We need 373.50 first to break. Well, it's moving so weird. US so breaking down. Come on, Microsoft, break the 50. It can't. No. SNDK still looks okay. Microsoft's really thinking to take a partial here because market is starting to be a tiny bit slower, but still pushing. Ah, okay. I don't like this. Is a forced breakout on Microsoft. Not good. No good. SNDK still looks good, but traders, I'm out of Microsoft. It's not that healthy breakout which I want to see. So with a very, very small loss, but I'm not going to hold this Microsoft. Market is, as I've told you, it's slowing down a little bit. This is good for our SNDK, by the way. Yes, it is. 384. So I'm out of Microsoft. SNDK coming to the partialing point soon, hopefully now. How about MU? MU still looks good. This 365, especially if the market is going to turn over. How about Meta? Meta pulled back. Amazon pulled back. CRM very strong today, really. Nike crazy strong. J&J. Apple is in green as well. I'm going to check here Johnson and Johnson. Come on, SNDK, breakdown, please. We don't have any more economic news, guys, either. So not too much. Unfortunately, 10 o'clock is coming like in 4 minutes. I can't believe this SNDK. I'm going to be out SNDK traders, the average size, or I mean, on the average price, which is 640.46. Adobe, yeah, Jeremy, anyway, Adobe got a bad news today. Looks like it's just strengthened back. Yes, because I mentioned you that it's so extended. So it seems like that even despite of the bad news, some deep buyers just showed up on the Adobe. AMD is very weak today as well, as I see. ARM starting to move for you. That looks good. So traders, I had Microsoft was a very small loser. I am in red. I added to SNDK. If SNDK it could really go down, that would be a very nice winner for me, especially if it goes to the 630 area. AMD is breaking down. Wow. How about MU? MU is still there. Meta coming down again. The market is giving up a little bit as I see. Finally, SNDK. Go, go, go. Try a second chance trade on TQQQ under 43.30. Again, just a scalp. Let's see. Oh, beautiful traders. SNDK. SNDK. I'm just taking a partial. 75% off my share size. 634. Fantastic. I just took my partial and stop loss on over the entry. Very good. And everything is going down. TQQQ second chance trade. TQQQ around 43.15. I want to take a partial there. SNDK very good. Come on, TQQQ. Go, go, go. SPY triple Q back to the VWAP. Very good. Ooh, SNDK, that's a big mover now. Very good. Nice. Go TQQQ, 10 more cents. Come on. Really? Who is buying the market? Phew, I think there are some news, guys. This is crazy again. 10 o'clock, maybe. Not just the 10 o'clock. I think it's news. Look at the oil as well, how it is moving. Insane. Mara is getting to the highs as well. Buzak, you are going to take Tesla? I don't know. I regretted this TQQQ because I'm sure there are some news on the overall market. As everything just started to move really crazy now. I'm still holding on to this TQQQ a bit more. Or SNDK looks very good. Yes, market decision, please. We need a decision. Stop loss on the SNDK is going to be over 637 trader, 637. Mara looks like as a breakout again. Mara. SPY stuck a bit. Yes, ARM, quite interesting, like it's holding. Okay, let me just check whether I can see some news here. Nothing. Ugly move on the market again. SNDK looks good. MU made the breakdown too. Oh, come on. Move. Why did the market stuck so much? So crazy. It seems like the market is waiting for something, but the Trump speech is going to be only at 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock? 4 p.m., like when the market is closing. I don't know for what we are waiting for. Ooh, LRCX 7% to the downside. EMA applied material 5%. MU almost 5%. Wow, it's weak. The market is not moving. SMCI looking interesting. Look at SMCI, guys. That looks interesting as well. Okay, traders, I think I'm going to put my stop loss on the SNDK 636 because it's just making a consolidation. Yes, Jeremy. Netflix, yes. I just seen it in nice and green today. There are some stocks which are just does not care about the market. MU continues lower. Coin making a drop, so Bitcoin is dropping, I guess. Ooh, Netflix, wow. That's a reversal for sure. But the market is stubborn. Market is just glued to the highs. Nah, Microsoft did it. I hate you, Microsoft. SPY is making a small bull flag. I'm out on SNDK over 636. Coin is pulling back, but making such a crazy moves, like the market itself. Mara is still before breakout, as I see. Tesla, will Trump pump the market? Oof, seems like everyone is waiting for that, Tara, as I see, actually. Okay, so far, oil and the market are fighting. Oil on the lows, market on the highs. I'm still holding SNDK, I'm still holding TQQQ. TQQQ was called under this 43.30. It's in a small loss, but I don't know what to do with it. I just don't like this overall market at the moment. Completely muted. SNDK making a nice consolidation here. So slow. Come on, do something. That's why I don't like the big break or gaps to start with. We had those several nice movers, like this SNDK was a really nice trade, but some of them, it's just, especially the market, just tricked us. Come on, market, make a decision now. But it looks like it really wants to go higher, which is very much not good for my TQQQ again. Come on, what are we waiting for? Because if Trump's speech, then this is still hours to go. Microsoft, nothing. DHI, Disney, PepsiCo. Okay. Watch out on the SNDK. It's coming back a little bit. And SPY triple Q wants to break out again. I can't believe it. AVG. Oh, moving higher. Yeah, Nitsan, I know. Not just PGEN, but even the market is so on sleep mode we are now. Yeah, for M going back to the Viva, but such a low volume. Yeah, everything. We just need something, a decision. Come on, last chance for the TQQQ as well. And I'm out on the SNDK traders. That was a very good trade actually on the SNDK. TQQQ I'm still holding, but not the best at the moment. And actually, I just cannot see anything here. UNH checking. Hascas, ooh, that's strong. And a bit extended now, unfortunately. UGRO halted, yeah, it's not open, unfortunately. I'm still with this TQQQ traders, but I just do not like this whole market today at all. Not at all. Now we are going maybe lower. Okay. Traders, just a second. I get some water. I will be back. Okay, traders, I am back. Thank you for your patience. So yes, UGRO, it's halted. The market just cannot find the direction at all. I'm still holding only this TQQQ. It's slowly back to the entry, but I'm not very happy with that either. Now I see coin back to the VWAP. AMD is still very weak. Your ARM, though, is still holding, Jeremy. I'm just thinking maybe to get a trade here. I don't know, 160, 162. Let's see, SMCI weak. SNDK is out. But the whole market is very muted and very, very slow. Extremely. CRM. See, AVGO started to be stronger, but this is just stuck on the 200 EMA completely. Come on, TQQQ, at least you should do the money finally. Okay, back to the entry, but we need to break the VWAP with the market. SMCI breaking lower. AMD, wow, how weak it is today. Circle dropping. Yeah, this 582, 80s, 583. This is a stronger level for the triple Q. Looks like that the market cannot move without the news. Like it really needs big news for the moves. Just making a reversal, fantastic. Coin is making a VWAP reversal here. Yes, ARM is stopping this 162, which I'm watching here, Jeremy, by the way, on the ARM. Market really wants to go higher, as I see, at this moment, which is not good for my TQQQ. How about Tesla? Tesla stopped completely. I will have a red day. You really need this TQQQ now or something nice, but actually I just cannot see anything. Let's see this ARM daily. So. Johnson & Johnson looks strong as well. Now SMCI dropping like a stone. Market is not doing anything. Really, I feel like we're waiting for something. Second half. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. Okay, Tesla, nothing. Google, nothing is moving, guys, really. Everything is just standing or going sideways. AMD under the lows, SMCI under the lows. Market completely stacked. Actually, we are going sideways with the market since 9:46:47. Crazy. Yes, Buzak, it's very tempting to take it over 162 to tell the truth. On this ARM, I see that. Just checking the news, but no news at all. Maybe this is the problem. We don't have news. We don't have a trigger. But yeah, I think, by the way, Tara is right. I think the people are waiting from Trump to say that we finished the war, like there is peace talks or ceasefire or something like that. Jeremy, Apple had some news, I think. That's why it's going higher now. Yeah, it's just not stopping. Okay, I think I'm going to be out soon on this TQQQ as well, and I just call it as a red day. It's just not. Here comes the ARMs, this 162 breakout finally. And it seems like the SPY triple Q wants to break as well. However, now it's interesting because the USO is not breaking down. So I don't know what's coming next on this market. Mara going back to the Viva, but this is a bit muted today as well. Nitsa, which finally the ARM? Are you in the ARM as well? Microsoft, though, nicely back to the Viva. Might I'm going to watch this as well for a possible opportunity. Microsoft on this Viva looks quite nice. Market still hesitating, but showing some strengths. Chewy. Sometimes, like usually, Chewy has lower volume. Now, yes, I see what you mean. No idea. Looks quite ugly. Spy triple Q, bull flagging again. Apple strong, Netflix strong, CRM strong. Yes, yeah, I see. There's something weird. It's like, I don't know, algo trading or I don't know what's going on this stock, but looks very weird. Like the candles as well. Amazon. Yeah, everything, this is the problem, Jeremy. Everything is just consolidating, not doing anything. I see what you mean. So it should be either a nice gap fill and go over 212 or a reversal. But this consolidation on the market is so long now. It's extremely long. Definitely the market, like the big participants are on the sidelines, guys. The big traders are on the sidelines. They just do not want to get involved in this market, which is not good because we do not have direction like that. Now again, we are going a bit lower. Oh, very ugly moves here. Now I see a little bit more volume or move, but still doesn't mean too much, unfortunately. How about Bitcoin? Oof, PRTR is really weak today, but this is just tagged as well. How about Bitcoin? Not too much move either on the Bitcoin. JP Morgan is down. UPST. Market is making like a triangle, especially the triple Q. It's quite interesting. Market, come on, move. Good morning. Wake up, please. Very, very slow. What are we waiting for? I'm sure it's a Trump speech, nothing else. Today is the 26th. It's not even Easter. Next week it's Easter. Next week, guys, Friday, it's Good Friday, as you know. No trading, no market, no trading room, by the way. Just telling you. But tomorrow it's still open. I don't know, so weird, this whole market today. MU on the VWAP. Maybe a VWAP reversal here. I don't know. Come on, market. Yes, Nitsan, Good Friday. Next Friday, market is closed. And even I think Thursday is going to be lower on volume, but let's see. Market again trying to go higher. Microsoft on the VWAP, which maybe can be interesting for a VWAP reversal. But I think only over this 372.70. Yeah. Last time Microsoft second chance trade. And unfortunately, no, not yet, not out yet. On the TQQQ. Stop loss under this consolidation low on the Microsoft. Okay. Ooh, circle. Have you seen circle, guys? This is a drop. This was an ugly drop on the circle. MU, yeah, good question, Ziv, on the MU, because I would say this is like under 365.90 a short, under 368.30 it's a long. Depends on the market. Market is trying for the fourth time to break this high of the day. It's really weird. No momentum, no strength, even despite of the gap down. It's ugly. So I think on the MU this would be 360, 368.30-ish a long, under 365.90 it's a short. But so far, market is not helping neither for the short nor for the longs, unfortunately. So very hard to take any trade at the moment. Microsoft looks good, but if the market's starting to go down, it's not going to enter even, I think. But it's very extended on the daily. It's just crazy. So if you have anything, any nice setups, guys, please just let us know. Jeremy, your ARM, it's really like slow but stable. It was a good choice on the CR, or ARM. Well done. Okay, VG checking. Market is still in a snail mode, traders. I don't know. It's on the VG17. Not bad if it goes back over the VWAP. You are right. In this case, we can try it. Hi, Vida. It's nice to see you. Such a slow market today. Unbelievable. CRWV. Okay. Yeah, this is the crazy one. You can check it, watch it. CRWV. FIG is not moving either. Coin. Tesla looks like it's a short. Tesla AMD coin on your watch list. Yeah, AMD, it's very weak. I mean, short of the market. Waiting for a VWAP reversal on the Microsoft at the moment, but nothing else. Very, very weak market. Yes, Apple got some news. That's why it's moving like that, I think. Three big green candles. Yeah, Apple is very strong today. Really, really strong today. Guys, this market is, I really, this is the last chance for this TQQQ to do here something. You got in a nice short, by the way. I did not take it. That call, Ziv, if you took it, then you can have the first partial soon. SPY triple Q back to the VWAP, my TQQQ back to the entry. And I just need like a 20-25 cents to take this partial. Come on. I know, Nitsan. I know it's not open either here. Okay, guys, I'm fed up from this market and my TQQQ as well. It's just no direction, no nothing. Mm. Now again, bounce from the VWAP maybe. And this consolidation, it's now it's a 40 minutes consolidation, no direction on the market at all. Crazy. I don't know when was this last time. Actually, it's such a long consolidation. Yes, Vidice, it is not a nice chart on Tesla today at all. I agree with you. Market is not nice either. Sorry, guys, I am with you in the meantime, but I do not like this market still. Not really. Mara again. Yeah, but Mara is just going sideways. Maybe VWAP reversals are better. Now, I don't know. Actually, Zuki, I'm a bit like hands off this market. Yes, Jules, any thoughts of my... Yes. Yeah, me too. I feel like everything wants to go somewhere, but they are not going. Sorry, save me the same with Mara. It looks like it just wants to break out, but it can't. Sit on hands with is good at that. That's very good. Actually, it's a huge advantage for day traders. It's really hard to sit on your hands, to tell the truth. Okay, traders. Now, if we are not going to break this VWAP lower on the triple Q, I'm out with the TQQQ and I'm just getting with my red away. Simon, NAVN, I think, Jeremy, you called this stock, but I can't trade it, unfortunately. It's a lower price but riskier stock, so watch out. But it was called by Jeremy, I think. Coin is going back to the highs. Microsoft has not entered yet. Market again pushing higher, at least the SPY, not the triple Q though. Look at that. I'm still waiting a bit for this market now to show what it really wants to see. NVDA around 175. Let's see. Yeah, I know this UGRO. I found, unfortunately, it's not open. Oof, that's weak today on NVDA. But this is so slow as well. I just don't get this whole market today, guys. It's so ugly. I just wait for the big red candle for my TQQQ. Por favor. Come on. No green, red. Ay. I'm really patient with that trade. KOD is back. Okay. Even better. What do you know? Chewy made the move. Did it? Finally? That was so ugly, actually. It did, but still, look at that, Nitsan. How ugly is that? Really ugly. Come on, TQQQ, please. 43. 43. I want to get 43. I don't know. I don't know, Nitsan. Vida is short NVDA. Good luck with that. SMCI on the lows as well. How about SNDK going back to the lows? I'm canceling Microsoft. Definitely, Microsoft is not a trade anymore. And I'm green. TQQQ saving my day. But it's still not enough. I want to see a 43.05-ish. 43.10 maybe, but for that we really need to see a red one. Yes, I'm still in. I'm still in under this 43.30, but still not out of the woods. Which one? S or L, Microsoft? No, I wanted to long Microsoft for the VWAP reversal over 370 but now it's breaking down, so that's why I canceled the long. I did cancel the long, but I'm really starting to be fed up with this market, guys. It's back to the VWAP, not doing anything at all. No decision, and it's just bouncing back. I can't believe this. No, I think it's going to stay like that for a while. VG again, checking. VG. Yes, it's looking better now, Nitsan, especially about this 17. And guys, I can't believe it, but it's going to be a loser on the TQQQ. That market is annoying. Yeah, I like this VG. I'm not going to take it. I don't know what to do with this market. Really ugly, ugly. Just suffering with this. Ooh, SMCI. Okay, traders, finally, this is what I was waiting for, but still not enough. It was too quick for me on the TQQQ. The oil is bouncing like crazy as I see. And yeah, SMCI is dropping like a stone as well, crazy. All right, traders, now I'm going to be more on the TQQQ to watch it. And still, everything is so fragile, hesitation all over the place. I think I'm just going to close half of the TQQQ soon. Nah, come on, this is what I wanted to see. Okay, traders, be ready to take a partial on the TQQQ. around 43.10. 43 would be better, but I'm not sure we will get it because of this craziness. Checking VG as well at the moment. Okay, looking better now, traders. Watch out for the first partial coming on the TQQQ finally. Here we are. I'm just taking my first partial here. I took close to this 43.10. It's coming back, hopefully. In the market, a little bit more. Nice. Okay, let's see whether we can touch 43 here. Praying for the Marabouza candle. Pray for me as well, please. Pray for me as well. Okay, here comes 43 traders. Finally, we see something. Back to the small green today, not a huge green, but it's okay. Here it is. Small green. And it's getting better now. Oh, come on. We need to break 43. One thing is for sure, guys, I'm out over 43.30 with the TQQQ. I'm not going to play this game anymore. So I'm going to get out 43.32 with the TQQQ and waiting whether we can break the 43. If we can break, I'm going to take another partial on 42.80. MU is back to this 364. Yeah, it doesn't look bad under 364.50. However, I don't like the fact that the market is going down and this is not going down. Nitsan, I would be careful with this. Who SMCI is dropping? For a scalp, I think it can be good. And actually, the USO is bull flagging. So I think we have a chance to push this market a bit farther. But I don't know. This is very unpredictable market now. But your VG, Nitsan, it still looks good over this 17 level, by the way. MU 360, yeah, as I've told you, under this 364.50 was a nice entry already. But again, I'm still a bit cautious with this market. But the VG over 17, it looks even better, Nitsan. I think 364, it's a little bit too late for me on the MU. Market is still going down. Finally, TQQQ broke the 43 traders. Stop loss 43.20 now. Went without you. In the VG, I think under this 1675 around, because now it's just building a nice cup and handle formation. Guys, I'm going to be out TQQQ over 43.20. Yes, yes, under this, exactly. Okay, here comes the VG as well. So traders, I think, the time is a little bit went by. So I think the stop loss on the TQQQ going to be over 43.20. VG still really looks good. I'm not going to take it though. Crazy market today, really. Unfortunately, as you can see, it's so much news dependent now that if there is no news, it's not moving. So we have seen more than a 40, almost like an hour consolidation. Crazy. So definitely market is waiting for the Trump speech at 4 p.m. So please be careful with this market if you are going to stay trading. I'm in a small green. I'm very grateful for that. Thanks to the TQQQ that I was patient with. But I think that's it for me for today. Buza, good luck with the MU. And Nitsan, if you take the 17 on the VG, beautiful calls today, guys. As always, fantastic. Trump is speaking somewhere now. I really, Humble Ninja. Okay, yeah, it's just so sudden. Sometimes there's news, isn't it? Like you never know what's happening, right? It's crazy. Okay, so if he's speaking, then especially now, then please be extra careful. News bot, US President Trump says if Iran makes the correct deal, the strait will open. Yeah, market is waiting for a big bounce, I think. Let's see if we will get it. Thank you very much, traders. I really appreciate it. If you like the stream, please just give us a thumbs up. Please don't forget our, I almost thought Christmas sale, it's Easter sale. Just check out the TEFS.com, and if you have any questions, then please just write me an email at agi@tefs.com. Christmas is almost here, right? Okay, guys, have a nice one. Take care and see you tomorrow, everyone. Stay safe. Bye.